A lot of late model vehicles have got tyre pressure monitoring systems in them these days. Pretty good on road, even better for an off-road vehicle because it alerts you to a tyre going down before it has a chance to do any damage. Not a lot of old four-wheel drives have got it, but you can get aftermarket kits for tyre pressure monitoring systems, such as this little Oricom unit. So let's open it up and see what's in the box. Control unit, if you like, that goes in the cabin. We'll come back to that later. We've got instructions, and we've got 4 of the little, what are obviously the pressure sensors which screw onto the valve caps. All right, installing this little tyre pressure system, it's not rocket surgery. So there's a little dust cap. Well, first of all, take the original valve cap off. There's this little dust gaiter, which has to be put onto the valve stem. And last thing, of course, is to use the little supplied spanner to really securely hold the tyre pressure sensor in place. And then the dust cap comes back. All right, we've fitted the 4 sensors to the 4 wheels, of course. The little display unit, which is solar panel, it's got a little solar panel in the top, needs to go up on top of the dashboard somewhere. Lucky with my old Pajero, I've got plenty of flat surfaces to mount this on. It comes with a little non-slip mat, which I was a bit sort of skeptical of, but after having had a look, it's actually more like a blob of glue. So I reckon I'm going to fit it just to the right of my steering wheel. Okay, we've got the unit installed. 4 tyre pressure sensors on each of the wheels, of course, and the unit up on top of the dash. Straight away it's telling me I've got 2 low tyre pressures, 29 and 37. You can program the unit for alarms at a high tyre pressure or at a low tyre pressure. Obviously for most people, a low tyre pressure is going to be of more importance than a high tyre pressure. You can also set it for a temperature function. So if your tyre's getting too hot for whatever reason, usually because the pressure's gone down, this thing will let you know. All right, obviously we're not driving anywhere right now, but we're pretty keen to hear what the alarm in this sounds like. So we reckon that if we unscrew one of the sensors from the tyre, it'll get that thing to kick into action. All right, that's what your alarm sounds like. And that's actually a pretty good response time. That started beeping within about 4 or 5 seconds of me taking this off, which indicates that, yeah, it's actually a pretty good safety upgrade. If you're bobbing along the highway at 80 or 100 k's an hour, you want to know straight away if one of your tyres is going down. For not a lot of money, I reckon these things are a pretty good idea. If they save you a tyre, great, but if they stop you from actually flipping with a tyre blowout and saves your life, even better.